I want a cup of tea. I want to rest now. He wants to learn English. I want to learn new things every day. I wanted to call you yesterday. We want to travel to beautiful places. I will want more time for this. What do you want?
I want to learn something new.
That's a great goal.